How to change address in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the location. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top you can see this location icon. Simply tap on it. Now here tap on manage address book. So this is the place where you can add a new address. So simply tap on a new address. Here you can enter the whole address. Here there are different categories that you must fill up. Here you can select the country, region, full name, number, address line, city and even state. So after filling it all, simply tap on add address and the address will be added, and later whichever orders you have or items that you bring or buy, it will pop up or show it in the same address. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.